Okay, so let's talk about multiplying factors for percentage changes. By percentage changes, I mean something that when an object increases or decreases by a particular percent, you have to find the new value of the object. So a change has occurred that is tied to a percentage. Now, in this situation where you need to find the new value of an object after its value has increased or decreased by a particular percent, you're going to need to work with what we call a multiplying factor. A good example is on the screen. A store has increased its price, the price of a good, by 25%. Find the new price. Now, to do this, we're going to find the multiplying factor of the percentage change. The percentage change is 25%, so we're going to find the multiplying factor for 25%, and we're going to multiply it with the old price, and we get a new price. Let's say, for the sake of argument, that the old price is P, okay? Now we're going to multiply P with a multiplying factor for 25%. Now, what is the multiplying factor for 25%? First of all, remember that 100% is 1. So the original value of the price of the goods is 100%. Okay? 100% is the original value for the price of the good. Now you're going to add 25% because the price of the good increased by 25%. So what you're going to have is 125%. The value for the price of the good is now 125%. So 125% becomes the multiplying factor for a price increase of 25%. 125% is the same thing as saying 5 over 4. So this means that 5 over 4 is the multiplying factor of 25%, and you're going to have to multiply the old price by 5 over 4 if you must get the new price. Now let's go over to this. In a case where we have the new price and the same multiplying factor of 5 over 4 of 25%, we have to get the former price. We're working back from the result. Now, take an example from this. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. When you're working back from the result, 6, you're going to have to divide by 3. So instead of multiplying by 3, you're going to have to divide by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Or 6 times 1 over 3 is 2. So you're going to multiply the result with the inverse of the multiplying factor. Instead of multiplying by 3, you're going to multiply by 1 over 3. Multiplying by 1 over 3 is the same thing as dividing by 3. Now, we have the final price, which is 50. We know that the multiplying factor is 5 over 4. So we're going to multiply the result with the inverse. The inverse of 5 over 4 is 4 over 5. So multiplying this with 4 over 5, we get 200 over 5. And 200 over 5 basically gives us 40, okay? 200 over 5 basically gives us 40. So we can tell that the former price of the good was 40 US dollars. And of course, if you added for the 25% to 40, you're going to get 50.